Hello everyone that's watching this. This is part 2 of the 3-part series where I show you how to cook this really weird recipe thing. This part I'm going to be showing you how to cook the noodles and the sauce, which go together, so it's like the noodles sauce part. So first, what I did was I grabbed my saucepan, and you probably don't need to do this, but I was kind of stupid and I used an entire bottle of soy sauce. I would not recommend that. I don't have a measurement for how much you should use. This is really just a feel cooking thing. Just use how much you think is necessary. Get some taste it, see. After you've got your desired amount of soy sauce, the next thing I did was I cut up some scallions and tossed them in there after the soy sauce had cooked for a little bit, just a little bit on like medium to mid-high heat. After that, this is what I did. You could do it, but I'd recommend you probably do it at the start when you're adding the soy sauce. I realized that an entire bottle of soy sauce is not a lot. It only fills like 1% of this saucepan thing. So it did not cover the noodles. And the noodles, of course, you can make your own, or what I did is I have a bunch of these just instant ramen packets, which just comes with the plain noodles in the brick. So I just took 2 of those out and just plopped them in here. The problem is that it was like not a lot of liquid, so I didn't get to the top of the noodles. So what I ended up doing was, here's the only rough estimate you're gonna get. It was about like 6 to 7 cups of water. Add that to the whole thing, and that kills 2 birds with 1 stone, because not only do you get the ramen to be equal with the liquid, the level, so they'll both cook at the same time, you also dilute this soy sauce so it's not as powerful, because let's face it, a whole bottle of soy sauce it's a lot of soy sauce. After your noodles are cooking, I'd say put it on like medium. If you want it to go faster, you can put it on high heat to let the noodles cook. After the noodles have been broken up and they're looking good, I would recommend turning it down low, letting it simmer. Or if you don't want to cook it anymore, you can take it off the heat and just let the internal heat of the thing cook it, or just let it simmer. And yeah, that's basically it for the noodles. I will say, when you're plating it, I would recommend when you're scooping it up to let a lot of the liquid drain out before you put it on the plate, because the noodles probably infused a lot of the liquid, so you probably don't need any more. That's it for the noodles and sauce section. Next is the chicken section and the peppers, I guess.